Typically, the individual is out of school, I would estimate 2 to 4 weeks, 2 to 6 weeks. It varies between individual. I don't typically see anybody going back to school but before 2 weeks, and rarely anybody after 6 weeks. So there could be some restrictions applied if you wanted to get back to school earlier, or if you wanted instead to do the virtual schooling or homeschooling for the full 6 weeks, that's possible too. Really depends on how the education and the work ethic of the child and what's necessary. So we kind of fine tune that to the individual, but typically not before 2 weeks. I think they're still there's some stiffness around or some discomfort around that I do not feel they'll be able to participate in school very well. And then typically after 6 weeks, it's clearly not necessary. If a child or a parent decides that they want to go back to school a little bit earlier, but at least after 2 weeks, we can consider shorter days, shorter, having 2 sets of books if necessary, rolling backpacks, a pass to use the elevator, more time between classes. So these things can be added on if we want to gradually return to school as an earlier date.